Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the process that it was to make the third brake light work as a running daylight, as a turning signal, and the issues I had in between, or in the end actually. But it's a fail for now, but I'm not done. It was just like, apparently it was just a problem with this, like the connections. So I'm gonna have to redo this, and it should work after that. But just for those that want to try, it was the same process for the bumper light, same exact process. Like, it was easier to run the wires to the bumper all the way up to the brake lights. This one is gonna be a little harder than I expected, to be honest, but I'll get it. Eventually I'll get it. Maybe this weekend I'll try it again. So just keep an eye on, like, see the step, not the whole step by step, but part of it, so you can have an idea of how to do it, how it is. And I hope you enjoyed the video. So now just testing the LEDs. Oh my, that's bright. Ah, crap. That's one. It's gonna be hard to do without one hand. And that's the other side. Still got some work to do. Still got to fit inside, close it, and then run it. So what I did here was, like, I took all the lights, the resistors, I think that's what it's called, from the old board on the brake light. I made a hole over here to run this terminal here. I'm adding it's gonna be hard to see. I'm adding one nut, bigger screw, and on the middle a wash to make this like a little higher, to make it even, so I can add oh my goodness, so I can add this over here to make it even. It's gonna be higher and even, then I can put the silicone on it to hold it off. Okay, so now this is ready to go. Like, I took all the resistors out, all the lights out, and I'm using the old circuit board to hold diode dynamics. So I glued it on it. I glued it a little bit on the back here, and I screw it there to give some height. Now all I gotta do is run the wires through the hole. So here it is. This is my little setup. Like, I just add the silicone, just regular silicone from Home Depot you can use. Now I gotta let it dry out. Silicone here and all around the after it's dry, I'm gonna like flip it over, take all the tools out, and add some more like in the corners, just to make sure it's completely sealed. Like over here on the back, it doesn't look pretty. I don't know if you can see, but nobody's gonna see this. All they're gonna see is the front. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. So that's running daylight. Turning signal. Looks nice. So all I gotta do now is install it on the car. So next step, I took the old one out. It was easy. Just 3 screws over here. Now to run the other one, it's gonna be a little complicated. Over here it was easy to take it out, the trim panel, whatever you call it. Now I gotta work on this. Take this one out, take this out, so I can connect it. So just a quick view. I use this wire to run over here. Now I'm gonna fish these wires through the rubber, whatever it's called, down here, and then so I got 2 over the rubber thing. Now I need another 2. So what I used was like a hard metal. Just make sure like the edge is like really, it's not sharp at all. It's like dull. Otherwise you're gonna cut some wire and then you're gonna have a bad day at all. A really bad day. So let's see if I can run the other one now. And then so I have to cut this end before running to this rubber thing. Otherwise this won't go through at all. So now I'm gonna fix it. Just a quick update. It was a fail, my try yesterday when I was trying to install the new brake light. It's not that it's not gonna work, it was just bad luck, I guess. Remember when I said that the hard part was gonna be running the wires over here? And that's what it was. It was a nightmare to like run the wires through this bunch over here. I got one, but I think the other side, like when I was trying to run it through, I think I pushed it too hard, the wire, so one of the wires broke inside. Oh, so it wasn't working. It was working on the left side. The right side didn't work. So damn. So I had to take the whole thing out, like put the old one in, like fix the wire that I had cut for the original third brake light. But I'm not giving up. I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna get it. I just want to give you guys an update about it. I'm trying. Like, I wish I had more content for you guys, but I'm just a regular guy, you know. I'm just trying to. I'm not even really that good like making videos and stuff like that, but I'm trying. So just be a little patient, and I'm pretty sure maybe next weekend I'll be able to install the third brake light, and then I'll give you guys a better update.